Hey friend, this morning I'm walking off Radiance of the Seas, not to go home, not to a hotel, but straight to another cruise ship. Same day, different port, bigger ship, different vibe. Most people end their cruise and go back to reality. I end one cruise and start another. Is it going to be smooth? Is it going to be stressful? Is it worth the logistics? Today, I'm going to take you with me off of Radiance of the Seas through the transfer process all the way to boarding Wonder of the Seas, one of the world's largest cruise ships. Two ships, one day. Let's see if this is going to be seamless or chaotic. Good morning, it's moving day. In this video, I'm going to be going from two Royal Caribbean ships, so I'm doing it side by side, and so I'm going to take you along with me so you will know what to expect when you go on a side by side transfer with Royal Caribbean. So I'm here on Radiance of the Seas, and I'm going to head over to Wonder of the Seas, and they are going to give me a ride. So let's go see what the process looks like. All right, we are out of the cabin, and it says there's breakfast in the dining room until 8 a.m. or breakfast in the Windjammer until 8:30 a.m. It's 7:45. I'm gonna see if I can get breakfast in the dining room. Let's see if we make it or not. One thing that I like about these smaller ships is when you are going from one elevator to the next elevator bank, from one elevator bank to the next elevator bank, it's a much shorter trip than when you're on the bigger Oasis in Icon class ships. So much shorter walk.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oof. Getting ready for the next group of passengers. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I'll probably be one of the last people to grab breakfast, but my breakfast order is not too complicated. Or maybe not. Looks like everybody's here for breakfast. Can I do sharing table?
Yes.
You saw that line? Yeah, I would have had to stand in that line if I didn't do a sharing table. I'll leave my luggage right here. Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
And let's have a sharing table. Sit by the window. And that is Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale. So I made it for breakfast. I'm here at a sharing table. And just an FYI, so when you are going from one ship to the other, they will give you an excursion ticket. And no, I don't drink that. I just only drink bottled water. They will give you an excursion ticket, and it's going to look like this. And so basically it's telling them that you're going to be transferring. I don't drink coffee, thank you. Okay, so basically when you're transferring, they will give you an excursion ticket, and it will look like this. And this is what you will use to get on the bus or shuttle to go to the next ship. The night before, well, maybe 2 days before, you get this notice, and it's going to tell you which luggage tag will be called at approximate time. It's not exactly. So I ended up with luggage tag 15.
Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Mario and I will be your server. My partner Eugene, okay? I start with you.
Mario.
French toast.
So I have luggage tag 15, and it should be ready around 8:50,
And for you,
9 a.m.
extra breakfast, okay? You like some toast?
Yes.
White or wheat?
White.
White. Okay. Thank you. Breakfast is come with bacon sausage hash brown, yeah?
Yes.
Alright.
And then there's some good info here.
have a blueberry parfait.
Blueberry parfait.
And then on the back it tells you
The
some good info,
juice, please, and wheat toast.
but it also tells you where to get breakfast at.
All right, thank you.
Just here.
And for you, mom?
Good morning. I'm going to have the ham and cheese omelet,
Ham and cheese,
a side of bacon,
bacon,
a wheat toast
wheat toast,
with peanut butter.
peanut butter.
That'll do it.
That's it? Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Oh, oatmeal. Sorry, oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Yes. Thank you. So here's my breakfast. I'm gonna have oatmeal with my ham and cheese omelet, and I normally get grapes, but don't get grapes on the last day. And I have wheat toast with peanut butter. So don't get grapes on the last day because, or maybe any fruit on the last day, because I took a tour, a galley tour, and they said that all the food that they bring on the ship are out of the port that they leave from. I'm pretty sure there's exceptions when the ship is relocating, so transatlantic, trans-Pacific, through the Panama Canal. But on regular ships, they get all their food from the port that they're out of. So if it's a 7-day cruise and they're leaving, like this is a 6-day cruise and they're leaving out of Fort Lauderdale, all the food on the ship came from Fort Lauderdale, which means it's day 6. Grapes have been frozen to be kept fresh and then unfrozen, and I don't like when that happens. I always wonder why they taste weird when you order them later in the cruise, and now I know why. So don't order grapes or any fruit really towards the end of the cruise. Alrighty, it is 8:32, and let me get my butt out of this dining room. I'm so full. That food was good. I only had a few bites of the oatmeal, but I ate everything else. It was yummy. But yeah, let's go and get on this cruise shuttle and see how the process works. Let's go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Safe journey home.
Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. Hey, I've been here before. Good morning. I've been here before. We walked off the ship together. We went to a waiting area in the terminal, and then the crew realized that there were still a few of the previous cruisers that were still on the ship.
One hand free can take the escalator down.
Thank
You
you.
can't be holding the cell phone, honey. You gotta put it in
Okay,
your pocket.
all right.
One hand free can take the escalator down.
All right, I've connected my luggage, so it's just one good unit. And now we're gonna head over there. I can't film over there, but we're gonna go through security to get out of the terminal. Good morning, thank you. I think I'm supposed to be here.
How may I assist you?
I'm going to another ship. Transfer?
Which one?
Wonder. You need my... Transfer to Wonder?
Oh, you're going to
Wonder.
Wonder of the Sea. You can go to bus 133 and tell them you're going to the port of Miami.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. Yeah.
Miami.
Miami. No. Wonder of the Seas. Port of Miami. Thank you. Oh, it's hardly anybody on this bus. Excuse me, my backpack is wide, so watch your arms. Sorry. Excuse me. Thank you. I'll just sit right here. This bus, no bathroom on it, so make sure you go to the bathroom before you get on the bus. All right, we made it on board, so make sure, I think it's a 45-minute ride from Fort Lauderdale to Miami. So make sure you bring you a Kindle, your tablet, make sure your phone's charged up, whatever you use to entertain yourself, or take a nap. Yep, so let's just go enjoy this ride, and then I'll show you what happens on the other side of the transfer.
All right.
Yay, Disney World. No, Disney World.
Miami Airport, right?
Ah, boo.
The Wonder, right? Oh, the Wonder, right? All right. Waiting for somebody on the front.
Oh, we came back on Terminal 19. When we got on, we were on Terminal 29. Bye, Radiance. See you later, alligator. It's a good thing we're not in a hurry. There's lots of traffic. And we're hardly moving. We left the terminal at 9:30. It is now, oh, right at 10 o'clock. So we're 30 minutes in.
And do you please anyone step by for a few minutes while loaded your luggage? And do you please check everything of quarantine inside the bus? And the most important, don't forget your driver. Yeah, there's a lot of luggage, heavy luggage in the harbor, right? Have a nice day, have a nice trip, God bless you. Step by, please, step by.
So we made it here. It is 10:29. So it took us exactly 1 hour, 59 minutes to get here from the Fort Lauderdale port to the Miami airport.
Auf die rechte Seite für die Straße.
Hang on a sec. All right, we are here. We are going to Terminal A. There is the Wonder of the Seas. What time is it? It is Okay. It is 11:08. Can't see my watch, but it's 11:08, trust me. And so how long did that take us? An hour and 38
We
minutes?
left at 9:30.
9:30, yeah. So yeah, it took us an hour and 38 minutes. So that's what it's like to do a side-by-side on Royal Caribbean. And now we're gonna go and enjoy Wonder of the Seas. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you on the next cruise. Sorry about that.
No, I know what you're doing. What's your name again?
Linnell.
Linda.
Yeah. Oh, look, they got the names of all the ships there. Empress, Radiance, Odyssey, Voyager, Explorer.
Hi, Lord. Hi, Lord.